Hey everyone, today's video is gonna be exciting. I'm about to show you the top 5 Blender add-ons that can seriously boost your workflow and unlock new creative possibilities. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools are absolute game changers. So let's dive straight into the world of Blender. Add-on number 1, Lazy Motion. This add-on is extremely useful, especially for those who work on product animations. It's a great tool that comes with pre-animated templates, so you don't have to animate everything from scratch. Overall, it boosts your workflow and saves you a lot of time. I will rate this 3 out of 5. This is a paid add-on. Auto Rig Pro. This is a very powerful add-on used even by professionals to save valuable time, and for beginners it's nothing short of a game changer. Auto Rig Pro rigs your characters not just with a basic setup but with a fully featured advanced rig. It includes both facial and body rigging, making it an all-in-one solution for character animation. Overall, this add-on is one of the best out there. I would personally rate it 4.75 out of 5. This is a paid add-on. Machin 3 Tools Master. This add-on really helps you in modeling, especially when you're working on mechanical objects or parts like screws, bolts, and detailed machine components. It's incredibly useful for adding precise details and the structure, especially when it comes to threading and clean hard surface workflows. If you are into creating industrial or sci-fi models, this tool can seriously level up your modeling skills. I will rate this 4 out of 5. This is a paid add-on. Add-on number 3, Blender Kit. This add-on is incredibly useful, especially for animators. It provides access to a wide range of character models and all kinds of 3D assets that you can easily drag and drop into your scene. It also includes high-quality textures, HDRIs, scene assets, brushes, and tools. Everything you need to speed up your workflow and add quality to your projects. This is a paid add-on, but you can also download it from the Blender Kit website, where some models and assets are available for free after unlocking. I will rate this 4 out of 5. Quad Remesher. Now this one is my personal favorite, my number 1 pick. This add-on is a must-have for every beginner. It's one of the best tools for retopology your characters. Quad Remesher gives you a clean and satisfying mesh with just a few clicks. Normally, artists have to do manual retopology, which takes a lot of time, but this add-on saves you from all that effort and speeds up the entire process. After remeshing, if you lose some sculpt details, you can easily bring them back using sculpt mode. This add-on is also paid, but I'd personally rate it 4.9 out of 5. But let's be real, no add-on can beat the skill of an artist who builds everything from scratch. Add-ons are here to support you, save your time, and boost your workflow, but they can't replace the joy and creativity of doing it all yourself. Alright, that's it for today's video. Best of luck. See you in the next one. Goodbye.